Now, whoever has clicked on this video, let me tell you one thing clearly from the start. There is going to be no editing in this video. There will be no sound effects, so if your attention span is low, you can skip this right now. But if you're someone who's going to watch this video till the end, let me promise you one thing. I won't waste even 3 or 4 minutes of your time. You will walk away from this video having learned something. So now sit down calmly, listen to me carefully, and while you're listening, keep imagining. Imagine that everything I'm saying right now is being said to you by your future self. Now listen, I know this very well. You didn't achieve much this year, but that does not mean you're a loser or a failure. Just think for a moment. Your parents spent so many years raising you, sacrificing for you, and now you're ready to give up like a failure. Why? Ask yourself honestly. The dreams you have, the goals you talk about, are you truly working hard for them, or are you just completing formalities? I know you're putting in effort, but you're not working at the level required to reach where you want to be. Fix this one thing in your mind permanently. A person who gives 100% to one thing, who sees nothing except success, can never truly give up and can never truly fail. I know your real problem. You want to work, but you can't bring yourself to do it. Today, I'll give you a permanent solution for that. For example, you want to upload videos daily, but you don't do it. Why? Because your mindset is, I have to upload 1 video a day and I can do it anytime. That mindset is wrong. Your mindset should be, I have to upload 4 videos today. Now you'll say, are you stupid? I can't even upload 1. How will I upload 4? Listen carefully. The voice telling you that you can't do it, that's not you. That's your mind. When you force yourself to think, no matter what, I have to upload 4 videos today, your mind gets confused. And in that confusion, you start working. I already know the truth. You'll probably end up uploading just 1 video, but that's the trick. Those 4 videos were never the goal. They were just a way to trick your mind into producing one. This is called a manipulation technique. Whenever you have something extremely important to do, double it, triple it, trust me, the work will get done. Even Elon Musk has said this before. What you think will take 2 years can often be achieved in 6 months. You just need to change your mindset. In 90% of cases, this actually works, and you can apply this in any field, sports, studies, business, anything. Just increase the workload so much that your mind doesn't get a chance to say no. But remember this, only those people can use this technique who truly want to do something, because laziness has no limits. At the end of the day, it depends on how serious you are about your life. And in the end, I'll say just one thing. Only those who can work like madmen without watching the clock are the ones who achieve success in life. Everyone else just keeps thinking. All right, my friend, you'll find a dedicated video on this topic on my channel. You can go and watch it. It's extremely valuable. And I hope that whoever has watched this video till here will achieve their goals in life. Because if you have the patience to watch a no-editing video till the end, then you definitely have the capacity to achieve your goals as well. Best of luck. And don't forget to subscribe.